Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, I think I'm going to put the head on next, the cylinder on next, before I do any of this work here. So then if stuff moves, the cylinder's going up and down. So this is the old gasket, so that's going. And this is the bottom gasket. Okay, I think that's going to need a bit of cleaning. Okay, using the CRC gasket stripper. And I'm using a plastic ruler, so not to score the surface. I did have a proper plastic scraper, but I've misplaced it. I'll bring you back when I've finished.